Today, we have some exciting news straight from the heart of Samsung's innovation labs. Yes, you heard it right. The much anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 FE is in the works. Reports from various sources suggest that Samsung is gearing up for the launch of its next fan edition smartphone, the Galaxy S24 FE. According to Galaxy Club NL, this powerhouse of a device won't be hitting the shelves until late 2024. Now let's dive into the juicy details, shall we? Rumors have been swirling, and it seems like Samsung is cooking up something big with the Galaxy S24 FE, codenamed R12. The codename for this project is R12, which aligns perfectly with Samsung's previous naming conventions for its fan edition lineup, with R11 being the Galaxy S23 FE. It's safe to assume that R12 is indeed the Galaxy S24 FE. But when can we expect to see the Galaxy S24 FE hit the market? If Samsung follows its pattern from last year, we might witness the Galaxy S24 FE making its debut in select markets towards the end of 2024, followed by a wider release in early 2025. So mark your calendars, folks. But wait, there's more. As the development of the Galaxy S24 FE progresses, we can expect a steady stream of leaks and rumors flooding the tech sphere. And you know what that means. More excitement, more anticipation. Now let's take a trip down memory lane. With the buzz surrounding the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra slowly fading away, Samsung is shifting its focus to the next big thing, the Galaxy S24 FE. From the Galaxy S20 FE to the S23 FE, Samsung has consistently delivered exceptional fan edition smartphones, offering premium features at an affordable price point. Now let's talk specs. While details about the Galaxy S24 FE are still under wraps, we can't help but speculate about what's in store. With its predecessors boasting top-notch hardware and performance, the S24 FE is expected to raise the bar even higher. Could we see the latest Exynos and Snapdragon chips powering this beauty? Will it sport an upgraded camera system capable of capturing stunning photos and videos? And what about the display? Will Samsung surprise us with a jaw-dropping screen? One thing's for sure. The Galaxy S24 FE is bound to turn heads with its sleek design and cutting-edge features. Well, folks, that's all the scoop we have for now. But fear not, we'll be keeping a close eye on any developments regarding the Galaxy S24 FE and bringing you all the latest updates. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, peace out.